By the end of this video, you will be able to create a pillow in Blender. So let's get started. So first thing we're going to do is that we are going to delete the default mesh, and then we're going to add a cube. Then what we're going to do is that we're going to scale it down on the z-axis and then about there. And then what we're going to do is going to apply the scale by doing Control A and then apply the scale. Now, in edit mode, hit tab to go into edit mode. Then we're going to do Control R to add loop cuts. To Control R and then scroll up your middle mouse button to add about this many loop cuts is to your need. So the more loop cuts you have, the higher the resolution of the pillow, but you do not want to add that much because it might break the Blender file. So we're going to add this much will be alright. And then we're going to add it the other way around, Control R again, and then we're going to add this much. After we've done that, we are just going to go back to tab mode, object mode, hit tab to go to object mode. Then we're going to scale it down a bit more. Now we are going to go to the physics properties. I'm going to enable cloth physics, and then we are going to go down and enable pressure, and then we're going to increase the pressure to about 50. I'm going to see how it looks. So now we're going to move this up, and don't forget under field weights to disable gravity, because if you don't disable gravity, you might not see it because it might be falling down. So then we are going to hit play, and then you can see our cube has been inflated because of the pressure inside it into a nice little pillow. And as you can see, that looks amazing. That is a very nice pillow. Now, to make the resolution a bit higher, you can add the subdivision surface modifier to, and you can add different colors. So I'm going to rotate this. So as you can see, we have moved it, so we don't want to move it. Let's do Control Z to go move it back. Then, as you can see, if you move it around, you have to apply it as well, otherwise it will just glitch. And if it does glitch, you can just move it back, okay? It doesn't really matter where it goes. We can just move it back, the timeline, move it back up. So that is how you create a pillow, and you can do lots of stuff with this. You can add a color to it. So if I go to the shader editor of this, or you can just go to over here, new, then add a color, and if you go over here, you will see that it changed colors, and you can add lighting to it, and you can also add a subdivision surface modifier to it, so it will look even better with this resolution. Look how it has changed dramatically, and you can make it to, you can see the resolution as you change it first 0, and then you can see its resolution slightly increasing like that. And that is how you create a pillow in Blender. I hope you understood how I did it. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.